Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the cryptocurrency exchange protocol called Uniswap. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, then this video is perfect for you. I'm going to explain what Uniswap is and how it works, as well as how you can use it to trade cryptocurrencies. So if you're ready to learn all about Uniswap, then let's get started. There are hundreds of different digital currencies available to invest in right now, but they all have one thing in common: they're really difficult to buy. Even if you know exactly which coins you want to buy and how much you can afford to spend on them, the process of buying them is so complicated that most people wouldn't attempt it unless they had to. That's why there are services like Uniswap that make things easier for everybody involved. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is a user-friendly upgrade from traditional decentralized exchanges, DEXs, that makes buying and selling crypto as simple as possible. In this article, we explore everything you need to know about the company and its services before making your final decision about whether or not you want to use them for your own cryptocurrency investments. How does Uniswap work? Uniswap works via a smart contract technology hosted on the Ethereum network. The parties involved in each transaction set a price and a time frame for the transaction to be completed. Then, each transaction is executed via a decentralized exchange system, DEX, once the time frame for each transaction has expired. If both parties have agreed to the transaction, the money is transferred immediately. If either party has yet to confirm their transaction, the money will remain in an escrow account until the transaction is confirmed by both parties. This simple but effective system makes it easy to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at prices that have been set by the crypto community and with a minimum of fuss and risk compared to traditional exchanges. Why use Uniswap over other exchanges? The DEX system employed by Uniswap is fast, efficient, and secure, but that's not all. Unlike many other exchanges, Uniswap has no trading fees and no withdrawal fees, so you can avoid the hidden costs of trading on other exchanges and still get the best possible prices for your crypto. There's no complicated sign-up process or compulsory identity verification, so you can get started easily without any major obstacles. And, most importantly, Uniswap does not collect personal information. This means that you can buy and sell crypto without providing any information about yourself and without having to worry about your privacy being compromised. How to use the Uniswap platform. Before you use the Uniswap platform, you'll need to make sure you have a few things in place. First of all, you'll need to have a wallet. You can use any wallet that supports Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. Any wallet that supports these standards will work fine. You'll also need some Ethereum blockchain-based tokens. This is how you'll pay for the crypto you purchase. If you don't have enough crypto in your wallet, you can use a site like Coinbase or Robinhood to buy some more. Once you're ready to begin, head over to the Uniswap website and click Sign Up. You'll need to enter your email address and choose a password to create your account. Once you're signed in, click Buy, Sell on the dashboard to get started. You'll be given a list of all the different cryptocurrencies available on the platform. Choose the crypto you want to buy or sell and enter the amount you want to purchase. You can also set a price limit if you're only buying part of a unit. Click Buy or Sell to confirm your transaction and you'll be done. Uniswap Investment Rewards. Uniswap rewards you for using its investment platform with a referral program that pays you a percentage of the fees generated from your referrals. The referral fees are paid in Ethereum, so you'll need to have some Ethereum in your wallet to collect them. There's a $50,000 referral cap per person, so if you're interested in earning a lot of money from your investment, you'll need to talk to your friends about joining and getting them to sign up for the platform. Additionally, once Uniswap's DEX has been established, you'll be given the opportunity to vote on the fees that you want to charge for each transaction. The more money you transfer via Uniswap, the more influence you'll have over the fees that you pay on the platform. Should you use Uniswap? Uniswap is definitely a good investment, and it has the potential to get better as the platform grows and evolves. It's reliable, secure, user-friendly, and has a number of useful and attractive investment incentives. What's not to love? If you're interested in cryptocurrency investment but don't know where to begin, Uniswap is a great place to start. Thanks for watching this video.